Gavin, what is that? Is that Elmo doll? Show me how it works. Show me how that works. Ah. Oh, Dylan likes the Elmo. Show me, buddy. Show me how it works. Can you squeeze his foot? Squeeze, not your foot. Squeeze Elmo. There we go.
Wait, hold on. Gavin, wait.
That's hilarious. All right, Bernie, that's enough of that. Oh, Dylan's trying to soothe Bernie. Bernie's getting all riled up by the tickle me Elmo here. Oh, look at that. Dylan, do you love your Elmo? Squeeze his foot. Tear it open, guys. Don't be shy. Bless you. Tear it open, Dylan. Mommy helping? Mommy's helping. Dylan, you're being very... Oh, no, that's not what I thought it was. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
How cool is that?
3 teeth.
Okay, very good. Oh, there's 2 in there. Okay. He's having a good old time. Just throw it anywhere, buddy. Just throw it anywhere. Oh. Uh-oh, that's what I thought it was. Open it up. What is it? What is it, Dylan? Mom's gonna help you out. What is it? Oh!
It's Elmo Jammies!
Elmo Jammies! Open. Wow, let me see that, my dear.
3 teeth.
Perfect.
Yay! You want to open it?
Dylan, you're being very tentative. Tear it open. It's Hanukkah. Go crazy.
He's opening the box.
He's opening the box. Gavin, what do you got over there?
Show Daddy your
Gavin,
Mickey
let me
Mouse.
see what you have. What's your new present? Let me see.
Is it Mickey Mouse?
Let me see. Show me.
Show Daddy.
Mickey Mouse.
Yes, look it.
All right. Dylan's almost got it open. I think Daddy's going to have to break out the knife to see what's in the box.
Oh boy. Little sleepers.
Oh, sleepers. Cool. Yay.
Gavin, what are we getting? You want to open it for me? Oh.
Very nice top.
Sure, yes. Very nice.
Okay, see what we got here. Oh. Argyle is in this year.
Ooh.
It looks very, very cozy. I think I might wear it to work on Monday. See if it'll fit some. Very nice. Let me see that. Oh my goodness. That's a good look for you, my dear. That's a good look.
Oh, that looks...
Smile for me. Nice. Give me the blue. Give me.
Yay!
Give me me the Yankee shirt.
Show me your glove. Show me your
hands up.
glove. Put your hands up. Yay!
No, it's fine. Very nice. I like it. All right, so we get some more.
What, you want one of these?
I got more presents to open, and Dylan is playing with the packing as usual.
As usual. No, other hand.